Hi, today I'm gonna unbox the iPhone XR refurbished from Apple. Go. Manual. This is the phone. See that in a little bit. Usual stuff, you know, headphones, the cable, and the phone comes wrapped up as brand new. You see? Okay, here it is. I think it's one of the best deals to get refurbished from Apple, because it's basically like new. That's a very good deal. And right now the 128 gig sells for $539 as per today. So that's a great deal if you want to grab one. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Bye.